In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily delete a website on WordPress. Whether you're cleaning up unused sites or simply starting fresh, deleting a website can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to https://wordpress.com sites. This is the central hub where all your WordPress sites are listed. It's designed to be your go-to place when managing multiple websites. So, after you've reached the web page, you'll notice a list of your sites displayed right in front of you. This curated list shows all the sites you currently own or manage, providing you with a clear overview of your digital portfolio. Now, as you scan through your list of sites, you might be wondering what's next. On the right side of each site entry, there's a subtle three-dot icon. This icon is an essential part of the interface, giving you access to additional options for each site. It's discreet yet crucial, especially for actions like the one we're about to take. Hover over to this icon and you'll see it reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find the one labeled Delete. Clicking on this will initiate the deletion process for that specific website. It might sound like a straightforward click and delete action, but there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Before going through with the deletion, ensure that this is indeed the site you want to remove. Deleting a site is a permanent action, which means once it's deleted, all associated data such as content and settings will be lost. It's wise to back up any important data you wish to keep before proceeding. Double-check if this is a step you truly want to take. As you confirm your intent to delete, WordPress might ask for confirmation, possibly requiring you to verify your account with email credentials or other security measures. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions and ensure that only the rightful account owner can perform such critical actions. Once you've completed these necessary confirmations, your site will be deleted. Take a moment to reflect on the steps you've followed. It's as simple as that. You've successfully managed to remove an unwanted site from your WordPress account. Remember, managing your online presence sometimes requires making these decisive actions to focus on what's truly essential. If you ever need to revisit or consider creating a new site, knowing how to manage your existing ones properly is invaluable. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it made the process crystal clear.